In my last video, I was talking about data-driven marketing, and marketing automation was a big part in that. Now, I believe that marketing automation can be used even if you're not using data-driven marketing, and you need to understand the concept before you implement it. So, today we are going to elaborate on that topic. So, let's get started with it. You can do outbound marketing in different ways. You can do search engine marketing, you can do social media marketing, you can do email marketing. So today what we are going to do is we are going to take example from all these channels and explain how marketing automation can fit in for all of them. Now before we begin, we need to be clear on something. You need to have great content ready for your advertisements. You need to understand that which channel your audience is going to respond to the most, and you need to be very clear that you need to have all the other resources required for your marketing. Now even if you have all the resources, you need to do one thing very clearly and absolutely: testing. Without testing, you cannot move forward in marketing. You need to test your target audience, you need to test your content and every other strategy that you think that you are about to use. Even if you're being inspired by any strategy of your competitors which is really working for them, you need to test that for yourself too, because you really don't know that if it is going to work for you or not. Only by testing it you can actually implement it for you. Now let's jump right into the examples. Suppose you are running a Google search ad with a bunch of keywords. As soon as someone searches for that keyword, they are going to find your ad. If they click on it, they'll land on your website or on your landing page. And right after that, you'll add them to a retargeting list. You'll use this list to run your retargeting campaigns. Now, retargeting campaigns are for targeting those people who have already visited your website or have taken some kind of action on your website. So, the plan is to take them through your marketing funnel, starting from the top to the bottom where they are actually going to get converted. So, you are going to show them content. Like, as soon as you start your retargeting ad, you will show them content A. Then after 7 days, you are going to show them content B. If content A and content B is not working and they don't respond to that, you are going to show them content C. Actually, what would happen? A few people who would respond to content A, then who are not going to respond to it will see content B. If they don't respond to content B, they are going to watch content C. Now this way you are going to move forward and eventually your audience are going to get converted. This happens in a completely automated way, and you are basically taking your audience through their buyer's journey. Now let's talk about social media marketing or social media advertising. Suppose you're running ads using Facebook ads on Facebook, on Instagram, on Audience Network. Now you are actually delivering content directly to your target audience even if they are not searching for you. You're targeting them precisely and you're delivering your content to them. Now suppose the content plan goes this way. You are showing them a video content. Now whoever is watching 70% of that content is going to see another image ad campaign. Now those people who are actually engaging with that image, you are going to show them another video. Now they are going to watch 70% of that video and then you're going to show them another content. That's how you are actually taking them through your marketing funnel just like before. And this is how their buyer's journey is going to go on until they are converting. Now, This is how online ad automation is going to work. This may require a platform, or you can do it using these ad platforms itself. But I would suggest you to use a marketing automation platform to perform your marketing automation efforts. Now, let's consider that someone has responded to your advertisement, specifically to your lead generation advertisement. Someone has submitted their contact details willingly to you. These people are your hot leads, but they are not yet ready to buy from you. But you need to maintain a communication with them. So what would you do with that? You are going to send them emails. You're going to set up a drip email campaign. And what is a drip email campaign? You are going to learn it right now. Suppose someone has submitted their contact details to you. You are going to send them emails in every 7 days. About what? You are going to educate them about your service, about your product. You are going to send them case studies. You are going to send them offers. You are going to send them testimonials. In short, you are going to take them through your marketing funnel all over again, but with a different kind of content. This time you are actually trying to convince them that your product or your service is worth buying and that is going to help them. This is the primary target of email drip campaign. Now you have converted your audience, but your job is not done yet. You need to find out that which customer is satisfied and which is not. So you need feedback from them. Now send them an email after 7 days of providing your service or delivering the product. Ask them for a feedback. If they don't provide the feedback, wait for 2 more weeks and send them an email again. And wait for another 4 weeks and send them the email again until they are providing you with the feedback. Now, starting from running advertisement, generating lead, communicating with the lead, communicating with your customers, you are using emails or different ad platforms. But instead of email, try using direct messages like Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp or direct text messages. People read text messages in real time, whereas the opening rate of email is around 20%. So try text messages. So marketing automation is about automating the process of delivering your content to the right person, to the right platform at the right time. So do it for your business and let me know what happened. If you want to know more about digital marketing, please let me know. I'm always happy to help. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.